10 Westburn Court. Sam and I are here today to see how many boxes can be ticked for you. Sam, how many bedrooms?
1, 2, 3, mate. Oh, hang on. Better make that 4, Jess. Even opens out right onto the entertaining area.
What about bathrooms?
1?
Is there an ensuite?
Yeah, 2.
2. Living areas? So 2?
2 living areas, Jess.
Check. Side access?
Yeah, Jess, we got side access. Plenty of room for a tinny or a jet ski.
Outdoor area?
Yeah, we got the outdoor living areas there, Jess, but it's that big you've almost got 2 out here.
How many car lock-up?
Yeah, mate, double garage. Plenty of space.
2? Aircon?
Got aircon, Jess?
Wood heater?
Yes. She's a beauty.
And they can just move in?
Yep.
Nothing to do?
Nope. Just one thing left there, Jess. The pantry got any beer?
No, not yet. All you've got to do is just move in and bring your beer. So don't forget to run your eagle eye over this home today to see if it becomes your piece of paradise.